Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session on Artificial Intelligence or AI. In this video, we will explore the different types of AI, how they are classified, and their real-world applications. This will help you build a clear foundation of knowledge about AI in a simple and structured way. Artificial intelligence can be classified in two main ways, based on capability and based on functionality. Let's look at each classification in detail. There are three categories here: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. First, let's start with narrow AI. Narrow AI, or artificial narrow intelligence, is designed for a specific task. It cannot perform tasks outside its domain. Examples include virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and spam filters. This is the type used most widely today. Next, general AI. AGI aims to perform any intellectual task a human can do. It should be able to think, reason, and make decisions independently. AGI is still theoretical. Research continues toward this goal. If achieved, AGI could revolutionize creativity and problem-solving. Finally, superintelligent AI. This represents AI that surpasses human intelligence in every possible way. ASI could make complex decisions and innovate faster than humans. It remains hypothetical and raises important ethical questions. That covers capability-based classification. Now let's look at AI by functionality. Reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. First, reactive machines. Reactive machines respond to current inputs only and do not store past experiences. A classic example is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing system. Next, limited memory AI. These systems can use recent past data to make better decisions. Most modern applications, like self-driving cars, fall into this category. They maintain short-term data to improve behavior in context. The third level is theory of mind. This aims to understand human emotions, beliefs, and social interactions. Theory of mind AI is still under research and not yet fully achieved. Finally, self-aware AI. Self-aware AI would possess consciousness and a sense of self. This is purely conceptual and does not exist today. Use this progression to understand how functionality adds complexity to AI systems. In practice, most deployed systems are limited memory or narrow AI. Theory of mind and self-aware remain research topics. Understanding these categories helps you see where AI currently stands and where it may go. To summarize, by capability, narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. By functionality, reactive limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. That brings us to the end of today's session on the types of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Keep exploring the world of AI to stay updated with future advancements.